Welcome to Research Rocks. Today's video we will see one more interesting video related on Rotimatic machine, and today we are cooking puris on Ashirwad atta. Look at this here. I already provided instruction of 10 puris. 8 puris already done using Ashirwad atta and the thickness and roasted level. So today roasted level no need to provide it because of the we are receiving here the puri structure only, not entire puri. So look at this here. We are receiving here one of the puri. Almost is done. So puri is coming here. Look at this. Such kind of puri is coming here. After that you need to put this puri on the oil, and after that we are receiving this results. It's worth it. और हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसे अच्छे से फूकती भी है पूरी. So such kind of puri we are receiving in this Rotimatic. Look at this here. Such kind of puri we are receiving, and after that we need to cook those puri on oil like this. So this is the beauty of Rotimatic. My wife is really happy. She is not complaining. She is happy. So I will show you the output of the cook. It's really nice. Look at this. Such kind of puri is coming here, so you can pick, and the Rotimatic are informing you don't pick immediately because of this is very hot, but this is not too hot. I can pick very easily and put it this plate, and we can continue cook the puri here. If you have any question related on Rotimatic, you can comment me. I will help you. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.